good phones are getting cheap, and cheap phones are getting good. So they're coming out with a phone called the Infinix Note 8 for $200. And so my question is, how good are they really? How good is this new baseline? Look at this screen. This phone has a gigantic display. It's a 6.95 inch LCD display. But let's get over here to the back of the phone. The back of the Note 8 here is this like interesting pattern of glossy blue pyramid shapes. At the bottom here, you may notice it is USB Type-C. A lot of phones coming out now have huge batteries. This one has a 5,200 milliamp hour battery. Then the software experience with what they're calling XOS on top of Android 10. And performance is good enough through animations and scrolling, as you can see. And you're also getting 128 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM. So enough to run some games on that huge, nearly 7-inch display and feel totally fine with it. For cameras, total 6 cameras on this phone, 4 on the back, 2 on the front. I'm actually, I would say, impressed. I think it's harder to make a good phone at this price. Either way, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.